Muzzle. Oh, there you go.
You gotta empty it all out, so smack it again. Or shoot something.
Wreck it.
There you go.
Alright.
Alright, put it on the table. Claire? Shoot that dude again. Good. Good. Yep, you got it.
That's my.
Miss. Lower. Right.
Lower.
Right. Lower. Oh yeah, just shoot. There you go. Good enough. Just so tiny. Again. Alright, clear. There you go. You can grab the mag if you need it. Let's go. Yeah, you don't want it? You shot the dude in the head. It's good. So clear. Range is clear. 100 point. Two shots in the. Put another round over there. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, but 3 on.
Just get the round lollipop right there. There you go. There you go. 2 brown targets in here.
You gotta have 3 rounds on each one. Remember that. 3 rounds on each one.
She actually neutralized it.
Okay, so I'll make sure.
Two squares over here, Sonia. Okay, window. Good. To the drums. To the left. No. Right here. Alright, the 3 over here, Sonia. 3 over here. No, get on the deck. Get on the deck. Go. And get those 3 over there. Alright, now go down here and go through the window. Barrel. Left or right? 2 pink on the left and then the right one. Good.
Nice.
Clear.